cautioning, no, the both prosecution and defense. I too noticed the esteemed Attorney Lorna Copunan's lengthy explanation on the withdrawal of the witnesses. But because she is Lorna Copunan, nakikinig ako in the same way na even if I don't know some of your names, makikinig ako sa inyo. Rest assured. I think it's her first time to also stand up. So I was being very patient in listening to her. But I did take note of some statements that sabi ko parang conclusions na to or excessive explanation of her observations which I didn't think were proper. So okay na yon, tapos na yon, pero moving forward nga, Mr. Presiding Officer, I agree with you. And I just need to put this on record kasi nga sinasabing wag tayo masyadong technical. Pero to a certain extent, kailangan naman ho natin tingnan naman yung rules natin kasi maayos ho tayo, di ba? So I want to read into the record. This might be a paraphrase na nung sinabi niya, ha, kasi sinasummarize namin ng team ko yung statements. And anyway, di ko na mahanap sa phone ko dahil kahapon pa yon. But I recall, no, and feel free to correct me, but this is a minor thing naman. Parang dinescribe niya kung bakit hindi na daw papupuntahin si Attorney Lopez kasi naman daw napakita na daw ng defense yung video kung saan siya ay crying and complaining. So observations na po yun ni Attorney Capunan. Hindi po siya ang witness. Hindi po siya ang dapat nagsasabi sa judges na crying and complaining yung isang testigo. Trabaho po yun ng abogado na i-elicit yon dun sa witness na mapepresenta doon. So yun po yung reason kung bakit hindi ho pwede yun. We're not being technical, but neither of the lawyers here are allowed to stand up and be the one to explain what you are experiencing. That is for the witness to do. Your job is to ask the witness questions. Yun.